Hi, this is week 5, sheep brain dissection. Frontal, parietal, temporal, and occipital. And gyrus and sulcus. They are technical terms for the folds in the cortex of our brain, and because we have such a large cortex compared to animals, we need to find a way of storing all this tissue in our head, and folding was a nature. It's the answer. Sulci are the grooves, and bumps are called gyri. And you can see on the surface of the brain, most of the brain. Okay. Lateral sulcus is on the side, which it separates temporal lobe from parietal lobe. Cerebellum is on the bottom over here. Pons. I'm going to turn this over so you can see clearly. Pons. Okay. Now medulla oblongata. Now olfactory bulbs, olfactory tract, and optic nerve, optic chiasm, and cerebral peduncle here in this area, and the hypophysis is a pituitary gland. It's in this area also. These are all in this section. Now for the cranial nerves, in addition to optic nerves, okay, oculomotor is it's next to mammillary body of hypothalamus, which is it's this area, and then trochlear is close to pons, and then trigeminal is also right on top of pons. Okay, so you'll be like a pons, trigeminal, and then trochlear on the top. Okay. Now, abduction. Abduction is also next to pons, a little bit bottom below the pons. Okay, a little bit below the pons. Okay. Now, mid-brain. So I'm gonna gently separate the cerebellum. This is cerebellum, and this is cerebellum. Okay. And if I push this down, you can see the corpora quadrigemina. It's right and left of superior colliculi, and the left and right inferior colliculi. And on the top of inferior colliculi is a pineal body. Okay, it's located anterior to the colliculi. Okay. Now, sagittal section of brain, which is it's falling apart. Okay, now let me see. Okay, cerebellum is the large part of the brain here in the front, and the corpus callosum. Corpus callosum is here. And fornix is here. Fornix. And the lateral ventricle is here. And thymus. And cerebral conducle is in this area. And pons. And medulla oblongata. And fourth ventricle. And superior colliculus. Okay, and let me see. This is a cerebellum. This area, cerebellum, and arbor vitae is a white matter inside the cerebellum, and it means tree of life, and in Latin language, and because it's a tree-like appearance that has, and this white matter brings sensory and motor information to and from cerebellum. Okay, it's kind of hard to pronounce R and L for me, but this small area is a cerebellum, and on the big area, the frontal section is the cerebrum. Okay, and that's it. And pineal body is the little part here. It's a pineal gland on the right on the top of a thymus. So I guess it's a little tiny part here. Okay, so that's the dissection that I did at home for the sheep brain. Thank you.